In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Windows 10 temporary files. If you're noticing your computer running a bit slower or just want to free up some space, clearing out temporary files is a great place to start. Temporary files are exactly what they sound like, files that your computer needs only temporarily. Over time, they can accumulate and take up valuable space, so clearing them out periodically is a good practice. Let's dive right into it. First up, you'll need to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This combination opens up the Run dialog box, which is your quick access tool for launching programs, opening files, and sometimes even opening folders. Once you have the Run dialog box open, you'll want to type in %temp%. What this does is tell your computer to find a specific folder that holds all those temporary files. After typing it in, go ahead and click OK or simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will open up the temp folder, revealing a list of files that are safe to remove. Now, to continue, you'll press Ctrl and the A key together. This handy shortcut selects all the files in the folder at once, saving you the hassle of clicking each file individually. With everything selected, you're almost ready to clear these out and free some space on your computer. For the final crucial step, simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Doing this will remove all the selected temporary files. You might see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete these items. Go ahead and confirm if necessary. Occasionally some files may not delete because they're currently in use by your computer. If this happens, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. You can choose to skip those files. Once you've completed these steps, you've successfully cleaned up your temporary files. That's all there is to it. It's a quick and easy process, and doing this regularly can help keep your computer running smoothly. You might even notice an immediate improvement in your computer's performance. If you found this guide helpful, consider setting a reminder to clear out your temporary files every month or so. It doesn't take much time but can make a significant difference in maintaining your computer's efficiency. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy computing!